Tinubu must go. Oga Tinubu must go. You are a big man. You see what is happening today. You people are also part of it. Take this video. I'm going to post you. I don't need your permission. I'll post it. Tinubu must go. Oga, go and tell people you witnessed this thing. Everybody is part of it. Oga, see Oga here. His face is showing. I post this video. Go and tell Tinubu. These people has to be answered. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tinubu must go. Tinubu must go. Okay, Tinubu must go. Say at the Pidam worship. Tinubu must go. Tinubu must go. Tinubu must go. When I see this officer,